Looking to breathe new life into your HP ProDesk? Today, we're diving into the Lurker 9-42332-001, a 400W power supply designed as a compatible replacement for several HP models, including the 280, 285, 288, 480, 600, 680, and 800 G3 and G4 series. This PSU aims to offer a reliable power source for these systems. The 9-42332-001 is compatible with part numbers L04618-400, L04618-800, PA 3401-1HA, PA 3401-2HA, and L76557-001, ensuring it should be a direct fit for systems needing a replacement. The unit features the necessary connectors, including a 4-pin, 8-pin, and 7-pin configuration, catering to the power requirements of the compatible HP desktops. The power supply accepts a standard AC input of 100-240V at 50 to 60 Hz, drawing up to 5.2A. On the output side, it delivers a maximum of 400W, with plus 12.1 main, plus 12.1 VECPU, and plus 12.1 VG each, providing 16A. This power distribution should be adequate for the intended systems, supporting their processors, integrated graphics, and other components. Lurker backs this power supply with a 24-month warranty, which is a significant advantage. This extended warranty provides peace of mind, indicating the manufacturer's confidence in the product's durability and reliability. It also suggests that they are committed to customer satisfaction, offering support in case of any issues or defects. For anyone experiencing power supply failure in their compatible HP ProDesk system, or those looking to upgrade to a more robust unit, the Lurker 9-42332-001 400W power supply appears to be a viable option. The compatibility with various HP models, coupled with the comprehensive warranty, makes it a worthwhile consideration. Just be sure to double-check your system's specific power requirements before purchasing to ensure it meets your needs.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.